So for example, the simple projectile class defines an onTouch function that does some crazy things. Now I'm going to walk through them so that you can see the type of logic that can occur here. First off, we ensure that we have a physics body to make sure that the onTouch function isn't being called erroneously. In addition, we also ensure that the other physics body that's being handed to us is valid and it has user data as well. Otherwise, it might be an invalid object or a wall or some other static trigger object. Finally, we can actually call otherBody.getUserEntityData to actually get the entity from the game engine that responds to this physics object. Now the simple projectile class will actually spawn an impact visual when it hits another object, a wall or the face of a robot. This nice little block of code here defines whether or not we've actually defined an impact collision, and then it'll go through and actually spawn an instance effect object and allow it to start doing its flipbook animation. Once this is done, it actually calls the deal damage function on the game engine. This will actually reduce the health of the physics owner, or the other object that we're running into, by the amount specified by this object. This allows the missile to reduce the health of any other robot that it hits. Once this is done, we set the mark for death flag equal to true so that later on our entity will be cleaned up using our sweeping process.